Looking for the perfect reciprocating saw for your next project? Whether you're a pro contractor or a DIY enthusiast, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best reciprocating saws you can get your hands on. Let's dive right in. Number 5 on our list is the Ryobi One Plus reciprocating saw. The Ryobi One Plus reciprocating saw is a versatile and efficient tool designed to handle a wide range of cutting tasks with ease. Engineered to deliver over 145 cuts per charge, it ensures that users can tackle multiple projects without frequent recharging, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its speedy performance is one of the standout features, with a maximum speed of up to 3,400 strokes per minute (SPM) and a 1-inch stroke length, enabling quick and efficient cuts through various materials like wood, metal, and plastic. The saw also boasts easy blade changes, thanks to a quick-release lever that allows for fast blade swaps, enhancing its versatility for different cutting applications. Whether you're working on a home improvement project or a larger construction job, this feature saves valuable time and effort. For added precision, the Ryobi One Plus reciprocating saw includes a variable speed trigger and a pivoting shoe. These features provide enhanced control over the cutting process, allowing users to adjust the speed and angle of the tool to suit the material and task at hand. This results in cleaner, more accurate cuts, ensuring professional-grade results. Additionally, the saw is part of the Ryobi i18V One Plus system, which means it is compatible with a wide range of other Ryobi tools. This system allows users to seamlessly integrate the saw into their existing toolkit, eliminating the need for extra chargers and batteries. With its blend of power, control, and convenience, the Ryobi One Plus reciprocating saw is a dependable addition to any tool collection. Number 4 is the Bosch RS325 reciprocating saw. The Bosch RS325 reciprocating saw is a powerful and compact tool designed for professional-grade cutting tasks. Equipped with 12 amps of power, it delivers a high power-to-weight ratio, making it ideal for extended use in demanding applications. Weighing only 7 lbs, the saw allows for greater maneuverability, reducing user fatigue during long work sessions. Its compact size, measuring just 17.8 inches in length, enables easy handling in tight spaces and challenging positions. One of the standout features of the RS325 is its constant orbital action, which ensures fast, efficient cutting across a variety of materials. This feature improves productivity by providing quick, smooth cuts, whether you're working with wood, metal, or plastic. Additionally, the variable speed trigger offers enhanced control, allowing users to adjust cutting speed depending on the material, ensuring precise results every time. The saw's fixed foot provides a solid and durable design, eliminating issues with foot movement during heavy-duty use. This robust build ensures the tool remains reliable even in the toughest conditions. The soft ergonomic handle adds another layer of comfort, ensuring a firm grip and reducing hand strain during prolonged cutting tasks. Changing blades on the Bosch RS325 is hassle-free, thanks to its durable blade change system. This reliable system ensures that the saw maintains high performance and durability over time, making it a dependable choice for professionals who need a tool that can handle tough jobs with ease. Coming in at number 3 is the Skil SPT44A reciprocating saw. The Skil SPT44A reciprocating saw is a high-performance tool designed to handle a variety of cutting tasks with ease. Powered by a robust 13-amp motor, it delivers the strength needed for even the toughest applications. Whether you're working on construction, demolition, or other demanding jobs, this saw has the power to get the job done efficiently. One of the standout features of the Skil SPT44A is its patented buskill technology, which significantly reduces vibration. Compared to other reciprocating saws, this technology suppresses vibration by up to 35%, providing users with a smoother, more comfortable experience. This reduction in vibration not only improves comfort during extended use but also enhances control, ensuring precise cuts. The variable speed trigger is another key component that enhances versatility. By allowing you to control the speed of the saw, it enables you to tailor the cutting power to the material you're working with. Whether you're cutting through wood, metal, or other materials, this feature gives you the flexibility to adapt to different tasks. Durability is also a top priority with the Skil SPT44A. Its secure, tool-less blade clamp is built to withstand harsh job site conditions, ensuring the blade stays firmly in place even during intense use. Additionally, the oversized trigger allows you to operate the saw comfortably from multiple positions, further enhancing the tool's usability. The Skil 13-amp reciprocating saw is a powerful, durable, and highly versatile tool, making it an excellent addition to any toolkit. Its advanced features, including buskill technology and variable speed control, ensure a smooth, efficient, and comfortable cutting experience every time. Number 2 is the Black-Decker BDCR20C reciprocating saw. The Black-Decker BDCR20C cordless reciprocating saw is a versatile and compact power tool designed for easy cutting of a wide range of materials. With a 20V max battery, it delivers efficient performance and can reach up to 3,000 strokes per minute, making it ideal for tackling various cutting tasks with ease. One of its standout features is the tool-free blade change system, allowing users to quickly swap out blades without the need for additional tools. This feature significantly reduces downtime and enhances convenience, especially when working with different materials or cutting tasks. The saw is equipped with a pivoting blade shoe, which offers enhanced stability and increased control over cuts, particularly when working with turns and angles. This feature is particularly useful for precision cutting, giving users greater flexibility and accuracy in their work. For added safety, the BDCR20C includes an electric brake, which stops the blade quickly after use, reducing the risk of accidents. The built-in brake provides peace of mind, especially in high-intensity cutting scenarios. Additionally, the variable speed trigger allows users to adjust the cutting speed, offering greater control and versatility in various applications. Whether cutting through wood, metal, or other materials, the saw delivers reliable performance while prioritizing safety and ease of use. The Black-Decker BDCR20C is designed for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts, offering a practical and efficient solution for a variety of cutting needs. With its lightweight design, tool-free blade changes, and thoughtful safety features, it stands out as an excellent choice for any cutting project. Maximum initial battery voltage is 20 volts. Nominal voltage is 18 volts. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Dewalt DCS367B reciprocating saw. The Dewalt DCS367B reciprocating saw is a powerful, compact tool designed for demanding tasks in tight spaces. With its 14.5-inch length, this saw effortlessly fits between studs and in other confined areas, making it ideal for a variety of cutting applications. Despite its compact size, it only weighs 5 lbs, ensuring ease of use without sacrificing performance. One of the standout features of the DCS367B is its brushless motor, which offers up to 2.5 times more runtime compared to traditional motors. This extended battery life ensures that users can complete more tasks without needing to recharge. Additionally, the variable speed trigger provides flexibility, allowing users to reach up to 2,000 strokes per minute, offering fast and efficient cutting in diverse materials. The saw is equipped with a keyless 4-position blade clamp, allowing for quick and easy blade changes, adding to its versatility. The 1/8-inch stroke length helps optimize cutting performance, enabling smooth and precise cuts. For added convenience, a bright LED light is built into the tool, illuminating dark work areas to enhance visibility. The Dewalt DCS367B is designed to work with all 20V max batteries and chargers, making it highly compatible with other Dewalt tools in the same lineup. Whether you're cutting in tight spaces or handling heavy-duty tasks, this reciprocating saw provides the power, convenience, and durability needed to get the job done efficiently.